This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Avalanche. Avalanche, I observed setting up here in an area of premium here near the R3 Camarilla pivot. And my trade idea was an R3 down to an S3. So an R3 to an S3 traverse. And let's walk through our top-down analysis here. The price action is trading in this range here on the weekly chart, and this is the current week high. This is the previous strong low here, and this is the current strong low. So we can see that Avalanche is trading in this range from the previous strong low to the current strong low. And it's right about in the middle of this range here. Here on the 4-hour chart, this is the current week high, and down here is the current strong low here. We'll pull this over. And we can see that Avalanche was in the upper end of this range here when I took the position, and then was able to take profits pretty much right here in the middle of this range. So very large range that we have here on Avalanche. And then if we come up here closer on Avalanche, I'll walk you through my entry. This is a Fibonacci retracement. We'll move this so we can see the price action. So with the price action here, I'm taking my entries differently now, but the idea here was this being an order block, trying to take an entry, which I took about here, trying to take an entry based on using these order blocks early in the trading day in order to, let's say, get a better position. Now currently I'm doing things differently, and I'll walk you through exactly what I have going. So these yellow lines here, this will indicate the market structure here for the morning, with this being the current week high and here being the current strong low. We can see here in these two candles, we get a market structure shift to the short side here, with this close below the strong low, and then continuation of the price action in that direction. So from here, this is where the Fibonacci retracement tool was up. I'd be looking for pullback into this order block area, which would be here, here, here. Probably these three would be the pullback that you would be looking for in order for the continuation of this market structure shift, which we get here, here in this sell-off, and then we get the profit target down here at the S3 level. So this is what I was seeing here on Avalanche, and this wound up being a 3 to 1 reward to risk opportunity for Avalanche. But this is what I have, and this is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.